Hi guys, today I'm going to make orange cake. Welcome guys. I'm gonna be using 3 eggs, a cup of sugar. As you can see guys, have zesta peel. Those are orange peels, just 1 tablespoon. And then I'm adding orange essence. Then I'm gonna give that a quick mix. As you can see, I'll make sure I mix well and make sure everything is well combined, as you can see. So guys, welcome to Dishing a Bakey. The next ingredient we're adding is margarine, 60 ml, and then we have orange juice, which is 60 ml also. Then we're going to mix also. That's salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we're giving that a very quick mix, as you can see. So guys, thank you so much for joining. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel in case you haven't subscribed. Then the next ingredient we are adding is self-raising flour. We have 1 cup of self-raising flour. We're gonna sieve that to incorporate air. First, we adding 1/2 cup. We mix first, and then we add the next the remaining flour. So we'll mix and make sure everything white disappears. So guys, stay tuned. Let's bake this orange cake. This is Dishing a Bakey. We are adding the next self-raising flour, as you can see guys. So we're gonna give it a mix also. Make sure it's well combined before we go to the next step. So welcome guys, give this video a like, subscribe to this channel. I do cooking vlogs, so if you love cooking, this is the place. So make sure you subscribe and put your notifications bell on so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. So you can see the texture of my mixture, my paste. As you can see, this is the right texture. So we're going to mix a little bit of the paste with cocoa. We're gonna use cocoa to make a thick decor for the cake. So that's what I'm gonna be doing so that I can decorate my cake. I've used cocoa, the normal cocoa that we use to make tea. So I'm gonna mix that, put it in a plastic bag, make a small hole so that I can be able to decorate my cake. So here you go. We transfer the paste to the baking tin. I've oiled the tin, so make sure I transfer everything. And then we'll decorate my cake on top just to give it a good appearance. Yes, so that's how I'm gonna be doing it. My paper is not that good, but I'm gonna do a good art. So guys, stay tuned. We finish baking this cake. We are almost done. So guys, I have other videos that I have done baking cakes and other things. So guys, make sure you go check them out, watch, don't forget to like, and in case you haven't subscribed, subscribe please. So I'm gonna be using a toothpick, just run it around, just make some nice flowers with it, just running it across, yeah, as you can see, like that. That will give my cake a nice look, appearance, yeah. There you go guys, as you can see, it looks nice. So we're gonna put it in the oven and bake for 30 to 40 minutes 30 to 40 minutes under 170 degrees. So here you go guys, our cake is done. Yeah, as you can see, it's done. So let's cut and see how it is. It's an orange cake, very easy to bake, simple ingredients, so you guys, you should try it. And it's really yummy because I've already tried it. It's still hot, so I don't know if we cut it, we're gonna be able to remove it from the tin, the under part of the tin, but let's just cut it. We see, still hot. Let's see how it is. Even the upper side is a bit crunchy, but if you leave it to cool down, it's gonna be soft. For those who bake, you guys, you know, it's gonna be soft. So this is it. A bit of it is stuck on the tin, but it's okay. It's done, well done. So you guys, try this egg cake, try my recipe. Make sure you leave a message, let me know what you think about it. Look at that guys, looking really nice, tasty. You can pour the orange juice on top. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to my channel, leave a message for me, put your notification bells on, and let me see you guys on another video. I really appreciate each one of you. Bye bye. Just look at that cake guys, really nice, soft. I left it to cool down, and it's really yummy. So see you guys on another one. Thank you so much. Bye.